There's no class tomorrow.
Why?
Because Mrs. Ferguson and there's no class tomorrow.
Why, papito?
Because
It's President's Day?
yeah,
And what happened with the president?
they died all together.
Who died?
Martin Luther King and Martin King Lincoln.
And Lincoln.
And Martin Luther King.
They died.
Mm-hmm.
So we have holiday now.
Yeah, 2 presidents. But there's one left. There's another president.
Uh-huh.
He is not dead.
He's not dead.
Alive.
He's alive.
Yeah.
He's Obama. Hmm?
There's no Barack Obama.
Martin Luther King was not a president.
Yes, he is a president.
No.
Yes, Martin Luther King and Martin King Lincoln, they are a president.
No.
That's how.
No, Lincoln was a president. But
And
Martin Luther King wasn't a president.
he's a human, right?
He was a human being.
He's not the president.
No.
even.
But he was very important too.
And then somebody killed Martin Luther King.
Yes.
Who killed
Somebody, I don't know.
somebody?
Pobrecito, ¿no?
Mira, un chico grande se ha matado Lincoln.
¿Ha matado a Lincoln?
Sí, no mi amigo, ese grande
Ah, sí,
Lincoln.
claro, el
No
Lincoln.
no es mi amigo Lincoln,
No tu amigo Lincoln, sí, yo sé.
ese grande.
El que era presidente.
Ajá,
Sí, alguien lo mató.
sí.
Ujú. Ok, papi, un besito.